Hello, what's up? This is Luis el Apóstol Feliz, formerly known as Luis el Apóstol Feliz, now Fulano Productions. Got a end of October haul for you guys. This is a special edition. I'm going to show you guys what I got today at my local big box store. So we're going to start from the very beginning here. Feast your eyes on this miniature toothpaste. Got this from Walmart, and this is a Crest Scope. Crest Scope. Got this at my local Walmart, so that way I don't have to borrow my mom's toothpaste. Y'all can pause on that if you guys wish. So put that one over there. Feast your eyes on this, y'all. This is a 2021 Cadillac CT5. Look at this. I didn't have this one in blue. I have the red one, and I have the red one, so I got the other variation. Now, I am going to have to zonk the fact that Matchbox is still keeping up with the repetitive castings. I really wish that Matchbox would have done new castings like a Genesis G90, Maybach 57, Maybach 62, Ford Escape, Lincoln Continental, Chevy Equinox, something else other than just repeated castings. So that's something that I would like to see from Matchbox. But man, the detail is spot on the money. Woo-hee. Looks super cool. Now, you don't have a sunroof here, which I'm okay with it. With it not having a sunroof. But if I were to, y'all let me know. Would you guys zonk the lack of sunroof or not? So put that one over there on where my mom's pillow is. Put that toothpaste next to my mom's pillow. Now, feast y'all's eyes on this. Woo-hee! Would y'all get a look at this? Gotta zoom out a little bit. Just a tiny bit. Got these today at my local Walmart. These are Maui Company. Y'all could see. Oh, I don't know what it says, so I don't want to butcher that. Look at that. Look at that sole right there. Yeehaw! Looks super cool. I like the kind of cloth. I like the cloth right there. And I like these kind of imitation shoelaces. Nice. So gotta take this off. So That goes on the floor. Love that. Love that. Love that. I like the fact that you do have a molded on pull tab. Yes. Super cool. I like that. I like this kind of heel cap right there. So, nice. I highly recommend these shoes for y'all men who wanna, who wanna be comfortable. So that goes out on the floor. So maybe you guys can read what it says right there. Maui and Sun, maybe? I don't know. So gotta put these. Wow. So gotta put my toothpaste there. Ooh, this toothpaste just doesn't stay. So there you all have it. My short mini haul, end of October. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys comment, like, share, and subscribe. Catch y'all next time. Fulano Productions say peace.